very last purchase we did happened to be the day before yesterday, where we bought about, it was about 400 kilos of hair, and it cost us about approximately about $100,000 US.
And we've got this really long length, which is almost like 24 inches.
Not too many on the crown,
No,
more
just
on
a
the
few.
side.
We take it till about here.
Till about here.
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, I spoke to the office earlier on. They said there's some hair coming in.
A single great length hairstyle can cost up to $4,000. But for stars, it's as fabulous as you can get.
I've never managed hair extensions, so I don't. But everyone says you feel like a goddess.
And you look like Shakira.
If I were to buy from you shorter lengths, would I get a better price on the longer lengths as well?
ओपन एक्शन करता है इधर है,
ठीक है।
वो बालकनी ओपन एक्शन करता है, वो हमारा फोन ज्यादा ये करता है, उसके ऊपर ये होता है।
Okay, fine.
In Bombay, that's what happens. You know, it is a city that is so. It attracts trends. It's it's a hub like Paris, London, New York.
দেখলাম সবাই চুলগুলো এমনি দিচ্ছে আলাদা আলাদা করে, আমরা দিলাম আলাদা আলাদা করে, চুলে গিট দিল, গাডার দিল, অন্য করে চাঁচলে চেঁচে বার করলো।